This is how you can create a full face professional bridal makeup kit with products under rupees 300 for this wedding season. For moisturizers, go for a lightweight one like this one from Pond's for rupees 100 that comes in plenty of sizes. For highlighting strobe creams, this Dot & Key one gives a silver finish and this one from Lakme for a pink dewy effect. For open pores or fine lines, this Mars Pore Cure primer, and for general oil free primer, go for this one from Insight. Then concealer ke liye Swiss Beauty liquid concealer is my personal favorite. You can even go for a concealer corrector palette like this one from Insight under 250. This Maybelline Fit Me foundation offers a matte finish plus SPF for rupees 250. Face powders mein you can either go for a banana loose powder from Insight or a compact powder from Maybelline. Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil is my go-to one for rupees 50. These candy packs from Aquacolor lenses retail just for rupees 200. For pigmented eyeshadows, you can either go for such subtle and minimal palette, and if you're a fan of pressed glitters, go for this one from Mars, again under 300 category. Pen eyeliner from Blue Heaven and liquid eyeliners from Lakme perform amazingly at super cheap rates. For jet black kajals, this L18 one is my personal favorite, and colored kajals mein Sugar Pop performs amazingly. Then this mascara from Mars has two steps, one for volume and one for length, only for rupees 260. Eyelashes ke liye you can either go for a single pair for rupees 99 or a pack of 5 pairs just for rupees 299 from Mars. Then for blush, go for this pigmented liquid blush from Swiss Beauty or this powdered blush from Lakme under rupees 250 category. For highlighter and contour, you can go for this highly pigmented 2-in-1 stick for rupees 220. Lastly, bullet lipsticks from Mars and Blue Heaven retail under rupees 200, and liquid lipsticks from Insight and L'Oreal in super affordable category. Then this liquid sindoor from TAG for all the brides to be. And finally, this set of 24 makeup brushes that I found on Amazon just for rupees 290. So drop link for direct links and show your love.